My name is Balasaheb Jadhav. I am into IT profession from last 15 years. So I have been wearing glasses from last 20 plus years. Since my high school, I've been wearing glasses and the number was high, close to 3, -3 and that too cylindrical. So initially when I started putting glasses, it was kind of fascinating to me. I used to enjoy. But as years passed on, I completed my college, I started my professional career, and then it was kind of burden to me. It was kind of a dependency. Without glasses, I was not able to, do my job. As being into IT profession, many times I need to stay awake till late night. It used to get at a time my head used to pain. There used to be eyes used to be watery, and then I heard about this LASIK treatment from a couple of friends, and I had heard about this Asian Eye Hospital and Sai Netralaya Ahmednagar. Being from Ahmednagar, I know that. So straight away I came down here. During my first visit here, the staff, they suggested some tests to undergo. So after all the tests were done, I met with Dr. Kankaria, and he helped me in such a friendly way that I got confidence that I should go ahead with this treatment if I had to get rid of my power glasses. And then in 2 weeks I scheduled the appointment. I made my mind, I convinced my family, and I finally took the appointment. So after operation, the actual operation, it took only 15 to 20 minutes. But during operation, the entire staff members, Dr. Kankaria, he was very helpful. He was giving me confidence that everything will be all right, no need to worry. And the operation took place. It was very smooth. I did not feel any pain. And within 2 to 3 hours they discharged me. I went home and they suggested some precautions, what all things you need to. So I followed everything, and here I am. After 3 weeks, I'm here for the follow visit, and now my vision is back up to 99%, I would say. I would suggest all the youth and whoever is planning to get rid of their eye power, I would definitely recommend this hospital. If you are confused or trying to make up your mind, I would definitely recommend Asian Eye Hospital, because I am being the example. I had -3 cylindrical eye power, which was very difficult to treat as per doctor. So yeah, I would definitely recommend Asian Eye Hospital. And thanks again, Asian Eye Hospital, Dr. Kankaria and the entire staff.